body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na.
Hi everyone, are you interested to see how I achieved this look, complete with hair and makeup? Then stay tuned.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on show name. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Bakachuku Makagini, oh so for me pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Make you ginger me. In the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. From here for the girl then. It's the DJ play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka, she love the bad thing. She hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her Winster when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. In the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. I love this hair.
So this is a bit of a different format today. I just wanted you to see how I get ready to go out, and I also wanted to show off my brand new wig. It's gorgeous, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's very similar to the other unit I have, but this one is a lot less dense, and I think it looks a lot more realistic because of that, and that's something I quite like about this. So here's a close-up of the blend here. I worked quite hard to blend that. I used some concealer, some foundation, some eyeliner. I must say I absolutely love the texture of this hair. It's so soft and sleek. It doesn't smell at all. I haven't had to wash it or anything. There's no chemical scent to it. It curled really nicely, as you can see. And I'm just in love with it. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you are interested in getting yourself a unit, then I'd absolutely suggest this one. And the link should be in the description box below, so check that out. Also let me know what you think of this video and this format of video in the comment section below, and by racing it. Service was super quick and it came in this really nice little bag, and I got a wig cap and some lashes.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on show name. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah, nah. You're a